Hey guys!
Hello!
Jenny Craig here, and these guys.
What's up?
We're awesome. So, say hi to Mike.
Hey guys.
He's a new addition to our test drive team. Obviously, you know Candace. And this precious baby we have here is a 2018 Mustang ROUSH Jackhammer. Mike, you want to tell us a little bit about this?
Yeah. So for 2018, ROUSH has really done a number on this. They've pretty much made a brand new 2.3 liter supercharger and bolted it to Ford's 5 liter Coyote V8, making 710 horsepower. This car, it comes in either an automatic transmission or a stick shift. It also has ROUSH's signature design strewn across the whole thing. From the front end, we got the JH emblem right across the middle, as well as this ROUSH big balance on the front end. Functional heat extractors on the hood as well. And moving over to the side, we got ROUSH's classic hockey stick stripe going down the side, which is usually used to be reserved for stage 3 cars. And then also we got these brand new 20-inch ebony gloss wheels wrapped in Continental Extreme Contact tires, which usually were reserved for more supercars, but are now coming down to the Mustang. Coming over back to the side of the bumper, we got this American flag sticker on the side here, which is new from ROUSH, as well as this awesome diffuser rear bumper that ROUSH has done.